Hello everyone, in this video we will prepare and then install your DELTA L+mini sensor, which is designed for monitoring the progression of cracks. The sensor is delivered in sleep mode. To activate it, start by removing the cover, then pull on the tab to detach the magnet. A blue light signal confirms that the sensor has been successfully activated. Deep sleep mode is now deactivated, and the sensor becomes detectable via Bluetooth. Carefully note the serial number located next to the sensor. You will need it to connect the sensor to the FEELBAT app. You can now link it to your account. Download the FEELBAT app, available on Google Play and the App Store. To add your sensor, stay nearby and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Once the sensor is detected, activate it from the app to start recording data, then set the desired measurement interval. Before on-site installation, it is recommended to connect and configure the sensor via Bluetooth, ideally 48 hours in advance, to ensure it is working properly. Please note, without a Linkfeel token, data will only be synchronized via Bluetooth. To enable remote connection, you must be connected to the sensor via Bluetooth. You can refer to the video dedicated to activating the Linkfeel token. Your sensor is now connected and ready to be installed. Now let's move on to the on-site installation. Start by marking your positioning guides by making two marks 13 centimeters apart on either side of the crack. A mark on the cover allows you to position the sensor halfway for optimal measurement. Carefully clean the installation areas using the provided wipes. Next, remove the protective film from the pods. Then apply the two-component adhesive to the center of each pod. Position the sensor on the guides without delay, then press firmly for a few seconds. The adhesive takes effect immediately. Your DELTA L+mini is now installed, configured, and connected. Before leaving the site, remember to reset the data from the app. Have a great mission!